glycans and cell-cell communication. Have you ever wondered how trillions of cells in your body know exactly what to do, where to go, and how to work together? The secret isn't magic, it's sugars. These sugars, called glycans, are the hidden signals that make cell-to-cell communication possible. Without them, life would fall into chaos. What are glycans? Glycans are not the simple table sugar you think of. They are long, branching chains of carbohydrates attached to proteins and lipids on cell surfaces. Picture them as tiny molecular barcodes. Each unique pattern tells other cells, "I belong here," or "This is my function." Every cell carries its own glycan signature like a microscopic ID card. How glycans enable communication. When one cell talks to another, glycans act like handshakes. They guide how cells stick together, how they exchange information, and even how your body responds to its environment. Without glycans, communication between cells would be chaotic. What are the impact of glycan signaling? Scientists are discovering that glycans don't just sit on the sidelines. They actively influence signaling pathways, regulate immune responses, and shape how cells interact in tissues. Understanding glycan roles could unlock new innovations in biology, biotechnology, and beyond. Why glycans matter in research? What makes glycans even more fascinating is their diversity. Unlike DNA or proteins which follow strict templates, glycans can be rearranged into countless combinations. This complexity challenges researchers, but it also holds incredible potential. By studying glycan interactions, scientists are uncovering insights into cell behavior, material science, and even new biotechnology applications. Unlocking glycan potential with bulk sciences. To unlock these mysteries, researchers need reliable glycan resources, and that's where bulk sciences supports the global community. From polysaccharides like glycogen, starch, and cellulose, to customized glycan synthesis services, bulk sciences delivers high-quality materials tailored to your project. Whether you're exploring fundamental biology or engineering new biomolecules, we provide the expertise and solutions you need. So the next time you hear about how cells communicate, remember, their language is written in sugars. If you'd like to dive deeper into glycans or explore custom synthesis opportunities, check out Bulk Sciences. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more science insights.